So if I'm thinking about resembling a dog sled, the first thing that I need is snow. So here's a napkin, and my napkin is nice and white. And look at that. Now I have snow on top of a box. What else could I use to resemble? Well, I need dogs. And in this case, I'm going to use pine cones to represent my dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind dogs is a sled. That's a rock this time. And here's a stick, and the stick can be the rope that connects the dogs to the sled. Come here, rope. You need to connect the dogs to the sled. Let's see if I have another rope. I do. Here's another rope. You can see it's not really a rope, but it kind of resembles a rope. It connects the dogs. I'm going to move my dogs over to the rope. There we go. There's the rope. There's the dogs. There it is. Okay. And now all I need is a person. And what will I use for a person? I think I'll use a piece of pipe cleaner to be my person. And the person takes charge of the ropes that are attached to, oh, don't fall down, person. You need to stand up. There it is. Okay. There's your dog sled. Here's my dog sled. It resembles, my artwork resembles a dog sled. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dogs, 1 sled, ropes, 2 ropes, and 1 person. Thanks for joining me today.